All right, welcome back to another stream. We did another stream yesterday, a couple of hours ago. This is a continuation. Uh, I am, again, continuing with this product, Brand Brain app, which is basically an AI agent content team to create content for your brand on autopilot and multiple platforms, publishing to multiple platforms, um, finding trends, and basically learns from your responses, what you like and what you don't like. It basically learns from those things and your preferences, and publishes content to your social media, different social connections that you have: Instagram, LinkedIn, X, Threads, things like that. Agents wake up at intervals and do their work and sleep. That's basically the idea behind it. Well, it's not just an idea now, it works. um, and You can create different formats, create make a clone of you, and add create Instagram reels or like short form video content, AI content. You can generate the audio, generate the video, lip sync and all that in your voice, in your, like, you can clone your voice, and you can even track your competition. This is still in development, and repurpose. This is for Instagram only right now. I think you can repurpose it, so it has your transcript, and use that idea to turn that into another reel. So it's like a reel to reel workflow, things like that. You can approve, reject your content from the content panel. Every time you approve or reject it or submit that, ask it to change something about it, your instructions are captured and it is added to the memory, like so. And it creates a strategy from your back and forth with the agents. And you can also add your preferences here manually, or have the memory cleaned. I've been using it for months for my own product, and growing my own social media, and it's ready to be still in development, a bunch of features. So what we are going to do today is to fix conversions. I'm looking at adding a gallery page on the home page, so people who land on the page can actually see the examples of what it creates. And so today is to, right, looks like it's working, so let's checking the stream. All right, so this is my Obsidian setup. This is how I manage my projects, not just coding projects, not also marketing and other projects as well. And this is how I organize it. Every project gets its own directory, and the findings and the discussions, architectural decisions, etc., go under that directory. What we are working on today is gallery, this one, landing page output examples mainly, and also creating a sustained stream of content promoting my product. And also I talk about AI So anything that in my niche, whatever content that is emerging that can be talked about, that will be published, found and published by the trend agents. So fixing those workflows is what we are going to do today. So I want to go to gallery and Anthropic, OpenAI, ChatGPT Pro. So this can go to the gallery, I think. So let's. I already have it open here. Now maybe pull that in. Maybe we'll also look at some SEO because my SEO seems to be working. So um, let's see. Most of it is though. People are actually searching for the product itself directly. But so if you look here, you can see that the top ones are people searching for the app. And I'm getting, let's do 24 hours, just 2 clicks. I don't know if that is true though. Probably. Let's do 7 days so that we have more data. So this just started working, I think. LinkedIn post generator, SEO board software, Jasper alternative. These are my compare pages, but I haven't gotten any clicks from that. But I am seeing clicks on my analytics. So this may not be up to date. So let's do 7 days. So things like this vibe marketing, I'm getting clicks on that as well. And yeah, the free tools that I created, that is also getting. So that is, if I go to, so maybe we'll have a look at, that needs to be fixed, but maybe we'll have a look at SEO as well, creating more free tools and stuff like that. Oh, all right. Okay. But the impressions have gone up in 3 months. Like you can see that maybe last week from the 20th, clicks are going. Oh, clicks 20 on Monday. What happened there? April 6th. That was last week. Can I see it for just one day? Monday 6th. Uh-huh. That is coming from my older software, which I have integrated it, sort of. So basically, when Brand Brain is like a harness, right? So I had a different software called SEO I bought. I'm, I am, but this is going to be part of Brand Brain as well. So it will write SEO pages and also create social pages. like, publish that to your social media as well. So SEO plus um, social media works. You just realized that I have closed the camera thing. But anyway, what are we doing? Okay, just pulled all that. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is that right? We have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is actually, there's actually something wrong because let me fetch the existing content. Now I'll create fresh variants of this content. So it is, it was just supposed to pull it. Okay. Mm, right. So I need to fix that to say just, so if I go vibe coding, chant, we investigate real time update. What was this? Let's rename that. Okay, let's clear that and then say when I click on repurpose from gallery curation page, the prompt sent is incorrect, and the button also is interesting. How do I want to do that? Okay, I'll start simple. The repurpose can be just like pull these, or it's not actually repurpose, it's just so that I can pull these um, IDs and see them on the panel and then actually make edits and come back to the gallery page to curate it properly. So it doesn't need to actually create fresh variants. So that needs to be adjusted, just saying, just pull these ones or something like that appropriately so that I can edit or something like that. Or instead of repurposing, it's just like, help me review these items, help me, and, or tell it, pull these IDs, something like that. Currently, the prompt is as below. Let it work. And in the meantime, needs verification. Pinterest, Blue Sky, LinkedIn, Carousel. I don't know if it is end-to-end test. Create, review, publish LinkedIn Carousel. It does work, so I'm going to move it to complete. Move this to complete. these to backlog. Pinterest. Move these to backlog. To backlog. Fix the bug where manually triggered agent executions create sessions that appear empty, completed in conversation view, despite the agent actually running server side. Manual run from taskbase shows real-time streaming responses. That does work. Commander bar captures show streaming responses. That also works. Session reload connect properly delivers. Oh, there is a. It's all right. Stopping manual run mid execution works cleanly. No active execution file. Okay, that is gone. I think for a while now. Cron initiated runs confirmed unaffected. All right. Okay. Root cause documented in decision log. Move this to complete. Move this to complete. Maybe. Preference page works correctly in production. AI agent chat correctly reads, writes preferences. Let's test that quickly. Can you read my preferences? All right, it can. So I can do that. This also goes to complete. Is there any other complete? User model selection. Admin toggle works on persist. I think I've tested this. Models appear on user settings page. I think I've tested this as well. Model selection persists and yeah, I think that also works. Uh, format labels. I don't know what that is. Legacy platform labels fallback includes threads. This one also. I think this can be a separate. Now I'll keep it. Skill capture, skill enrichment. Test that a capture thought now gets enriched. Okay. Caption styles is what we are working on. Multiple preset caption styles added. Each preset defines font color, outline, and background box shallow look. Okay, let's test that. But before that, move these to complete. So if I go to content and see up or pending, reel, where is it? Ah, here. So if I pull that into chat, Okay. Why is it still reading? So if I
Google just dropped something massive, and you need to hear about it.
now, uh, why is it always now? That is clearly wrong. So use that and apply edits. Background is added. Actually, go back to the base image. That's how we should do it.
Google just dropped something massive, and Google just dropped something massive, and you need to hear about it. Kema,
That is also a little bit strange.
Google just dropped something massive, and you need to.
Huh. So I can actually. Hmm. Medium effort. When I select a video from the output area in the avatar panel where the outputs are shown, and I play it in the right area, it switches to the it's a different video. I think it switches to playing the video set to the reel in this area. Here, whichever video that I select on the right side where the reel, whichever video where the videos are listed, they should be. This is a preview area for that one, this small part. Does this make sense? Um, the bigger one in the second image on the left side in the panel is the place where the reels that is set to the reel place. Place. I am referring to the one on the right side, the smaller preview area. Preview area.
Google just dropped something.
See, in the image 3, I tried playing a selected reel on the from the output area on the avatar generation panel, and then it immediately switches to the reel set in the set to the switches to the video that is set to the reel instead of playing the one I selected. Does this make sense? Let's let it do it.
Google just dropped something massive, and you need to hear about it. Chemaphore is here, and the 31 billion parameter. Google just
The preview on the right works okay if I select a video that is marked RP, that is straight after generating the avatar video. But if I select any composite video that were or other videos marked as final videos, then it switches to the one in reel.
Google just dropped Google just dropped something massive, and you need to hear about it. Chemaphore is here, and the 31 billion parameter dense model, along with the 26 billion mixture of Google just dropped something massive, and you need to hear about it.
Edit, and if I use the same backgrounds, loop, key the blue out, option, captions, Hormozy bold, create final video, what happens? If this doesn't work, I'll just use the default captions for now to send it to my, and schedule a few reels for my Instagram. Let that run. Use agent teammate, not background agents or subagents. Hmm. The agent is first trying to do the get content for editing tool. Don't they have access to a get content by ID tool or something like that? Can you check? Oh, present content for review. So we have multiple reels, 20 GPT or too limited for real coding work. The pricing gap for AI coding tools was broken for months. Solo builders had two terrible options. No, the variant 20 GPT was holding solo builders back too limited and but 200 a month, that's an overkill for most of us. AI. So I think I can select this and delete this. This one fine. This is also another OpenAI just launched. OpenAI just plan boss. Say, can you select the best reel for the content? I see multiple reels here. For